everyone. Today we want to show you how to make a delicious German-style potato salad. We begin with 1 kilo potatoes, which we peel. First, we give the peeled potatoes in a pot with cold water. When all your potatoes are peeled, start cooking the water. Also, add some salt. While our potatoes are cooking, we also peel 2 onions and cut them in very fine pieces. We add the onion pieces to a bowl and go on with 150 grams small pickled cucumbers. These pickled cucumbers we cut in rough pieces and also add them to our bowl. To bring some fruitiness and color into our salad, we cut 2 bell peppers in pieces which have a similar size as our pickled cucumbers. Also add the bell pepper to our bowl. The next ingredients are 4 hard-boiled eggs, which we also cut into rough pieces and add to our bowl. To get hard-boiled eggs, you should cook them for at least 8 minutes. A few branches of parsley are almost mandatory to a German dish, so we chop some and give them to our other ingredients. Don't forget to remove the stems while doing that. Also, a few branches of chives are a good addition to our salad, so we chop it also and add them to our bowl. After boiling our potatoes for 15 to 20 minutes, they should be ready. Use a knife or fork to see if they are ready. If you can easily stick your knife or fork into the potato and they also easily fall off your tool, they are certainly ready. Don't cook them too long. Remove the boiling water and wash them with cool water. Remove all the water and let the potatoes cool out. Now we need 400 gram mayonnaise in a second small bowl. We add a pinch of salt to our mayonnaise and also add black or white pepper to it. To get some acidity, we use some lemon juice or herb vinegar. The last ingredient for our salad is a good tablespoon yellow mustard, which we also add to our mayonnaise. Mix the mayonnaise well. Now we cut our potatoes into rough slices. Make sure that they are fully cooled out before you go on. When your potato slices have room temperature, you can add all the other ingredients and mix everything well. Your delicious German potato salad is now ready. Put it in the fridge until you want to use it. It should be a great addition to your summer barbecue. We really hope you enjoy our recipe. If you are a first-time viewer, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thank you for all your support. Have a nice day. Over and out.